Hi, my name is Puneet and my student ID number is 2002108. Today we are doing the sharpening of instruments. As it is most important part, it reduces the fatigue of the clinician and is comfortable for the patient, and it reduces the strokes. This is my armamentarium, the water, the Q-tip, the sharpening stone, and the plastic, the stick, and the instruments. I'm just going to wet the stone with some water. You can use the oil as well. So I'm starting with the posterior sickle. So I'm going to hold this instrument that needs to be sharpened in the dominant hand with my thumb on the opposite shank. And so the terminal shank should be at 12 o'clock and the stone should be at 1 o'clock. It should be in my non-dominant hand, elbow on the table. So we are doing from heel, middle, and tip third, as it's a sickle and it has two working ends. And we are going to be finishing up in the downward stroke as it reduces the burrs. Same thing, 12 o'clock. Now we're going to check the sharpness. Putting the fulcrum, and we'll be checking both the working ends and all three sides, the heel, the middle, and the tip third. So it should be biting. This one is quite sharp. Next we are going to do the Barnhart. So it's a curette, so it has a toe. So we'll be holding the terminal shank in the non-dominant hand, 12 o'clock. Wearing the stone. And it should be 12 and the stone should be at 1 o'clock. We'll do the toe as well. It should be at 3 o'clock and the stone should be at 2 o'clock. Same thing, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, from heel, middle to toe third, finishing with the downward stroke. 3 o'clock. For the toe, the stone is at 2 o'clock. Going to check the sharpness. Fulcrum. This one looks good. Now we are doing the Gracie curate. So it has one working end. We'll be putting this at 11 o'clock. So I'm choosing the 13th end and it is towards me as it is an odd number. Wearing the stone again. Putting at 11 o'clock. And the stone should be at 1 o'clock. So the right side one is the working end. Doing the toe. So it should be at 3 o'clock. Stone should be at 2 o'clock. The 14 end is away from me. 11, putting the instrument 11. The stone at 1 o'clock. Heel third, middle third, and the toe third. And doing the toe should be at 3 o'clock. 2 o'clock the stone. We'll check the sharpness of 13-14 now. So it looks sharp. Thank you.